Alligators, one of the most recognizable creatures of North America's swamps, are ancient reptiles that have been around for over 100 million years. These prehistoric-looking creatures are part of the crocodilian family, sharing common ancestors with crocodiles and caimans. Alligators are ambush predators, lying in wait in the swampy waters for their prey. They have powerful jaws and sharp teeth to capture and crush their victims. Their unique coloration, a combination of olive green, brown, and black, helps them blend into the swamp environment, making them nearly invisible to their unsuspecting prey. Alligators have a lifespan of up to 50 years in the wild, and they play an important role in maintaining the balance of the swamp ecosystem. Their diet mainly consists of fish, amphibians, and smaller reptiles, but they are known to eat larger prey if given the opportunity, such as deer and even alligator garfish. Alligators are also known for their powerful tails, which they use for swimming and for whipping potential threats away from their territory. In the past, alligators were hunted for their hides, teeth, and meat. Today, they are protected by laws that regulate hunting and ensure their survival. Despite their fearsome appearance, alligators are generally shy and avoid humans. However, they can be dangerous if provoked or if they perceive a threat to their young. Alligator populations are currently stable, and they can be found in the southeastern United States, particularly in Florida, Louisiana, and South Carolina. So, the next time you visit a swamp, keep a safe distance from these ancient creatures and appreciate their role in the ecosystem. They are truly a wonder of the natural world.